Hello everybody and welcome to our German classes. My name is Irina Movsesian and I am your new German teacher. You're watching Insta Language Online and today we start learning Deutsch together. We start learning German together and we start with Deutsche Pronomen. Let's start with simple words as pronouns. We are going to learn how to read them, how to write them, how to pronounce them, and we're going to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. 10 words a day, 300 words a month. I know, I have done it. So guys, let's get started. I'm so excited that you are starting your new journey and you're starting your new journey with me. And I'm going to show you how to learn the German language fast and very, very comfortable. Let's start with the first one. Ich. So the first combination is ch. It's ch, and it's a very soft sh sound. Ich. Next one, you will be du. Make it longer, du. Next one, if we have r in the end, in the German language, we vocalize it. What does it mean? Instead of r, we say er. I know, interesting. Er. Okay. Next one, we have two combinations here. It's the combination er, which gives you long e. And if you see s in the beginning and then you see a vocal sound after it, you pronounce it as z. So this word is pronounced z. 2 letters for he and 3 letters for she. You will never mix them. Okay? Next one is s. Technically, s is not necessarily it. In the German language, we have 3 genders: feminine, masculine, and neutral. In English, we only have feminine or masculine. We don't have neutral. But in the German language, you will find words that are neutral and you will have to learn them. Sie, es. 3 genders in the German language. Next one, plural, wir. Okay, so W is V. It's not W like in English, it's V. We already know that if we have R in the end, we vocalize it. Wir. Er, wir. That's we. Next one. IH is pronounced as long E and H is not pronounced. Ihr. And here we again vocalize R. Ihr. Okay. Next one is Sie. That's the same word. Huh? Well, basically, they and she in the German language, it is the same word. How are we going to distinguish the difference? The verb that will follow the noun will show you, is it they or is it she? I'll give you an example. Sie wohnt, she lives. Sie wohnen, sie wohnen, they live. So the verb will show you if it's sie as she or if it's sie as they. But we don't stop here. We have another z. What's going on? Germans, come on. Don't you have any other words to use? Well, we have you as a polite form for singular and plural. So if you refer to a professor or professors, you will use this form, Z, and you must write it with the capital letter capital S, Sie. Now we are going to read it one more time. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. How to remember the words faster? Close your eyes and try to visually remember all the words. You know you have 2 columns. You know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 words to remember. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. And say it 3 times. After that, you must do it in reverse, vice versa, from the bottom to the top. Sie, ihr, wir, es, sie, du, ich. In this case, you will memorize them better. It's very easy to remember from top to the bottom, but it's much harder to remember from the bottom to the top. I tell you, that's my method. I invented it. It worked for me. I love it. And then the third method is you take a pen and paper and you start writing as many forms as you remember. You don't have to remember all of them, but you must write everything you remember. And after you check what you have written, you see how many of them you didn't remember. So you check them and then you take another sheet of paper and you write them again. And you write them as much as possible so you will remember all of them. You have to have 9 words and how to write them. We just pronounced them several times, so rewind this video and read with me. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. All right, guys, today we learned 9 words. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690 and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!